What if I told you there's a city in Vietnam that combines tropical beaches, mountain adventures, incredible food, modern infrastructure, and one of the most affordable lifestyles in Asia? A place where you can spend your mornings at the beach, your afternoons exploring jungles and temples, and your evenings enjoying rooftop bars overlooking a glowing skyline. This is Da Nang. After spending time here, our first thought was simple. This feels like Bali, but with better infrastructure, cleaner streets, fewer crowds, and way less traffic. Da Nang has quietly become one of Southeast Asia's fastest-growing destinations for travelers, digital nomads, retirees, and expats. And unlike many famous tropical hotspots, it still manages to feel authentic. In this guide, we're exploring everything you need to know about Da Nang, from the best time to visit and where to stay, to the top attractions, local food, costs, and what it's actually like to live here. Let's dive in. Da Nang has one of Vietnam's best locations. Da Nang sits along Vietnam's central coastline between the mountains and the South China Sea. Its location gives visitors the best of both worlds. Beautiful beaches stretch for miles along the coast, while lush mountains, jungles, waterfalls, and scenic viewpoints sit just minutes away. Even better, Da Nang serves as the perfect base for exploring central Vietnam. Historic Hoi An is only a short drive away, while Hue, Hai Van Pass, and several national parks can easily be visited on day trips. Few cities in Southeast Asia offer this much variety in such a compact area. Timing your visit is extremely important. Da Nang experiences two distinct seasons. The dry season runs roughly from December through August, bringing sunshine, warm temperatures, and excellent beach conditions. The wet season arrives from September through early December. During this period, heavy rain, high humidity, and occasional typhoons can affect travel plans. For most travelers, February through May offers the perfect balance. The weather is warm but comfortable, rainfall is low, and outdoor activities are enjoyable throughout the day. June through August remains popular, but temperatures can exceed 38 degrees Celsius, creating intense tropical humidity. Choosing the right season can completely change your experience. Getting around is surprisingly easy. Unlike many Southeast Asian cities, Da Nang feels organized and easy to navigate. The airport is located just 15 minutes from the city center, making arrivals incredibly convenient. Most visitors use Grab, Vietnam's version of Uber, which offers affordable rides throughout the city. Typical rides cost only a few dollars. Many travelers rent scooters, but traffic here can still be chaotic. Motorcycles often ignore traffic rules, drive against traffic, and weave through intersections with confidence that surprises first-time visitors. Unless you're experienced riding in Asia, Grab is usually the safer and less stressful option. Da Nang is more than just a tourist destination. One of the most surprising things about Da Nang is how balanced it feels. Yes, tourism is everywhere, but unlike many beach destinations, the city hasn't lost its local identity. You'll find modern apartment towers sitting beside traditional neighborhoods. Busy seafood markets operate just blocks from luxury resorts. Local cafes, schools, temples, and family-run businesses continue to shape everyday life. This combination creates a city that feels both international and authentically Vietnamese. Choosing the right neighborhood matters. The Han River divides Da Nang into two very different worlds. West of the river is the more traditional side of the city. This area feels local, authentic, and generally more affordable. You'll find traditional markets, local restaurants, and fewer tourists. East of the river is where most visitors choose to stay. This side offers easy beach access, modern apartments, international restaurants, co-working spaces, and a large expat community. For most travelers and digital nomads, the eastern side near the beach provides the best overall experience. My Khe Beach is the city's crown jewel. If Da Nang has a superstar attraction, it's My Khe Beach. This long stretch of soft sand consistently ranks among Asia's best urban beaches. The beach is clean, spacious, and lined with cafes, restaurants, and hotels. The warm water makes swimming possible throughout much of the year. And unlike many famous beaches around Southeast Asia, it rarely feels overcrowded. Whether you want to swim, surf, relax, or simply watch the sunrise, My Khe Beach delivers. Tra Peninsula feels like another world. Just outside the city lies one of Da Nang's greatest treasures. Tra Peninsula is a massive protected nature reserve covered in jungle, mountains, secluded beaches, and scenic viewpoints. Driving through Tra feels like leaving the city behind entirely. Hidden roads wind through dense forest while panoramic viewpoints reveal stunning coastal scenery. It's one of the few places where you can experience both tropical wilderness and city views at the same time. The Lady Buddha watches over Da Nang, standing 67 meters tall. The Lady Buddha statue is impossible to miss. Perched high on Tra Peninsula, this giant white statue overlooks the sea and much of the city below. Locals believe the statue protects fishermen and brings good fortune. The surrounding Lin Yung Pagoda features beautiful gardens, temples, and peaceful walking paths. Even visitors who aren't interested in religion often consider this one of the most memorable places in Da Nang. Rare monkeys live in the mountains. Tra Peninsula is also home to one of the world's rarest primates. The red-shanked Duke langur is often called one of the most beautiful monkeys on Earth because of its striking colors. Wild populations are extremely limited, making Tra one of the best places anywhere to spot them. Even if you don't find the rare langurs, you're likely to encounter plenty of playful monkeys along the roads. Dragon Bridge breathes fire. Few city landmarks are as unique as Da Nang's Dragon Bridge. Shaped like a giant dragon crossing the Han River, it has become the city's most recognizable symbol. But every weekend, the bridge transforms into a spectacle. On Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights, the dragon literally breathes fire and sprays water into the air. Thousands gather to watch the show, making it one of Da Nang's most popular evening attractions. Marble Mountains hide ancient caves and temples. Just south of the city sits one of Vietnam's most fascinating natural attractions. The Marble Mountains are a cluster of limestone and marble hills filled with caves, pagodas, hidden temples, and scenic viewpoints. The highlight for many visitors is Huyen Kong Cave. Sunlight pours through openings in the cave ceiling, creating dramatic beams of light that illuminate incense smoke and ancient shrines. The atmosphere feels almost magical. Bana Hills is Vietnam's most surprising attraction. Many travelers visit Da Nang for the beaches. Few expect to find a giant European-style mountain resort hidden above the clouds. Ba Na Hills combines cable cars, theme park attractions, gardens, restaurants, and an entire replica French village built high in the mountains. Its most famous attraction is the Golden Bridge, supported by two giant stone hands. But the bridge is only the beginning. Most visitors are shocked by how enormous the entire complex actually is. You can easily spend an entire day exploring the area. Vietnamese food is one of Da Nang's biggest highlights. Food is an essential part of every visit. Vietnamese cuisine is known for fresh herbs, balanced flavors, grilled meats, rich broths, and incredible street food. Some dishes every visitor should try include pho, Vietnam's famous noodle soup, banh mi, the iconic Vietnamese sandwich, mi quang, Central Vietnam's signature noodle dish, bun sao, crispy savory pancakes filled with shrimp and pork. And because Da Nang has a large Korean community, you'll also find some surprisingly excellent Korean restaurants throughout the city. Local markets reveal the real Da Nang. For a glimpse into daily life, visit one of the city's traditional markets. These vibrant spaces are filled with seafood, tropical fruits, herbs, vegetables, flowers, spices, and local street food. Markets aren't just shopping destinations, they're social hubs where much of everyday life still happens. Walking through them offers a far more authentic experience than many tourist attractions. The coffee culture is incredible. Vietnam is one of the world's largest coffee producers, and Da Nang embraces coffee culture completely. Stylish cafes appear on nearly every corner. Many are beautifully designed with creative interiors that feel more like art galleries than coffee shops. Whether you're working remotely or simply relaxing, the city's cafe scene is one of its hidden strengths. Da Nang is becoming a digital nomad hub. Remote workers have increasingly discovered Da Nang. Fast internet, affordable apartments, beach access, co-working spaces, and a growing international community make it an attractive base. The city's time zone also works surprisingly well for professionals working with Europe and other parts of Asia. Many visitors arrive planning to stay for a few weeks and end up extending for months. Living here costs less than most people expect. One reason Da Nang continues attracting long-term visitors is affordability. Typical monthly costs include apartments, $250 to $700 plus, hotels, $10 to $50 per night, local meals, $2 to $4, international restaurants, $5 to $15, scooter rentals, $40 to $80 per month, gym memberships, $20 to $50 per month. A budget traveler can live comfortably for a few $100s per month. Meanwhile, a comfortable expat lifestyle near the beach often ranges between $700 and $1,000 monthly. Compared to many global beach destinations, the value is remarkable. Why so many people end up staying? Perhaps the most interesting thing about Da Nang is that many visitors never plan to stay long. Yet countless travelers, digital nomads, and retirees eventually decide to make it home. The reason isn't just the beaches, it's the balance. Da Nang feels modern without being overwhelming, affordable without feeling underdeveloped, touristy without losing its local character, relaxed without becoming boring. Very few destinations manage to achieve that combination. Final thoughts. Da Nang surprised us. Before arriving, we expected a polished beach city built primarily for tourism. Instead, we found a place that still feels alive, authentic, and deeply connected to everyday Vietnamese culture. It offers stunning beaches, incredible food, mountain adventures, vibrant markets, modern conveniences, and one of the most enjoyable lifestyles we've experienced in Southeast Asia. Whether you're planning a short vacation, a digital nomad escape, or simply searching for your next adventure, Da Nang deserves a spot near the top of your list. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more travel adventures, and let us know in the comments, would you visit Da Nang, or could you see yourself living here? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.